Raj, you think I can fit this whole thing in my mouth?
That's funny. That's what your mom asked me last night.
Oh, come on! King of the Slams! Now you hold on a damn minute! You spoke to my mother last night?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Hello, Dad? I got good news and I got bad news. Good news is Mom's still alive. Bad news is she's sleeping with my boss, Raj, King of the Slams. Yeah, no, he is very cool. Yeah. All right, we'll talk about it when I get home. Uncle Dave's not over, is he? Good. I freaking hate that guy. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir, Sergeant! Affirmative! Affirmative! I love you. Say it, say it, say it.